Right, let's see another sum. See this one. Minus 3x plus 2 minus 5 times 2x plus 1. Here, I'll do first one. Let's take this. Minus sign means -1. -1 here. Multiply the whole expression by -1. -1 times 3x minus 3x minus times plus minus, multiply this outer minus sign by plus. 1 times 2 is 2. Then multiply the second expression by -5. Minus multiplied by plus is minus. 5 times 2x is 10x. This minus multiplied by plus minus. 5 times 1 is 5. Now let's take like terms, minus 3x and minus 10x like, -2 and -5 like. We have to simplify like terms by considering their signs. If there is no multiplication එකක් නැත්තම් multiplication rule එක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැහැ. මෙතන multiplication එකක් නැහැ. sign බලලා තමයි simplify කරන්නේ. -3x minus 10x, signs same. If the sign same, you please add them. Answer is -13x. add කරේ sign same නිසා answer එකත් ඒ sign එකටමයි එන්නේ. මෙතෙන්ටත් ඒ විදිහම -2 -5 දෙන්නම එකම sign එකේ ඉන දෙන්නම minus. Therefore we have to add it. Answer is -5 -2 -7. This is the final answer. Next sum for you. You please try this. Minus times 6x plus 3 minus 3 times 4x plus 1. See this sum? ඔගොල්ලෝ කරන්න බලන්න මේ ගන්න. Finish. Aruni.
Yes, sir.
Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Amisha.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Let's see. This minus sign means -1. -1 times plus 6x minus 6x. Then minus multiplied by plus, it is minus. 1 times 3 is 3. Please check your answers. Then minus 3 times plus 4x. Minus multiplied by plus is minus. 3 times 4x, 12x. Minus times plus is minus. 3 times 1 is 3. That's the first step. Then let's select like terms. Minus 6x minus 12x, like terms, minus 3 here, minus 3. Simplify like terms by considering their signs. Minus 6x and minus 12x, same sign, add it. No multiplications, that's why addition rule apply here. Minus 6x minus 12x, answer is minus 18x. Minus 3, same sign, add it, answer minus 6. This is the answer. Please check your answers. Is it okay, correct? Daruni?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's see another
Yes, sir.
few sums. You please do these sums. 5 times 3x plus 2 minus 4x minus 3. It's the first one. First sum. Second sum, minus times 3x minus 2 minus times 4x plus 2. Please do these sums, these two sums. You know, this minus sign means -1. Remember that. That's very, very important concept, right? Minus sign means -1. You multiply by -1. Finish. Daruni?
Yes.
Right. See this. 5 times 3x. 15x. Plus times plus is plus. 5 times 2 is 10. Minus times 4x. Minus 1 times. Here minus sign means minus 1. Minus 1 times 4x. Plus times minus minus 4x. Minus sign multiplied by minus sign. It become plus. 1 times 3 is 3. So simplify 15x minus 4x plus 10 plus 3. 15x minus 4x is 11x. Sign difference, subtract 4x and take the answer with the sign of large one. Plus 10 plus 3 plus 13. This is the answer. Next one. This is minus sign. The minus sign means minus 1. Multiply by minus 1. Minus 1 times 3x minus 3x. Minus times minus, it is plus. 1 times 2 is 2. Here 1. This is 1, right? Minus sign means minus 1. Minus 1 times 4x plus 4x minus 4x minus multiplied by plus, that means minus. 1 times 2 is 2. Please check your answers. Minus 3x minus 4x plus 2 minus 2. 4x minus 3x minus 4x, same sign. Therefore, add them. Minus 7x. When the sign equal, you have to add. Here signs different. Subtract 2 from 2. It's cancel out. Answer is minus 7x. Please correct it. Plus 2 minus 2. Sign different. 2 minus 2. 0. You don't want to write 0. Right? Taruni?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. Let's see another sum with algebraic terms. See this. A times 2a minus 3 minus 2a times 3a minus 4. Look at this. Here you can see algebraic term in front of that. Like earlier one, we have to do it. Please look at this. You should know when we multiply same type of term, when we multiply, right? Bracket means multiplication. When we multiply like terms, its squared is the answer, right? So multiply 2a by a, same type of symbols. Answer is this one by this one. Answer is 2a squared. එක වගේ අකුරු multiply වෙනකොට ඒකේ squared එක තමයි එන්නේ. මෙතන 1 තියෙන a වල ඉස්සරහින් 1 times 2 is 2. a times a squared. Then plus multiplied by minus is minus. A times 3 is 3a. Next one. Let's multiply the second expression by minus 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus into minus minus 6. A times a is a squared. මේ අංක දෙක multiply කරාම 6 ආවා. a වලින් multiply කරාම a squared වුණා. මේ minus sign එක මෙතන තියෙන plus sign එකෙන් multiply කරාම මෙතන ආවා minus කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ මේ sign දෙක multiply කරනවා. Minus into minus it become plus. 2a times 4 කියලා කියන්නේ 8a. Right? Plus 8a. දැන් අපි ගමු like terms. මේ square terms දෙක like. ඒ දෙන්න එක ළඟට ගන්නමු. 2a squared minus 6a squared. දෙකම squared නිසා ඒ දෙන්න like. මේ දෙන්න simplify කරන්න පුළුවන්. Next one minus 3a plus 8a. මේ දෙන්න like දෙන්නම a terms නිසා. මේ දෙන්නත් අපිට simplify කරන්න පුළුවන්. 2a plus 2a squared minus 6a squared sign different අපිට subtract කරන්න පුළුවන්. Answer is minus 4a squared. Here second couple of terms minus 3a plus 8a minus 3a plus 8a signs difference. Therefore subtract 3 from 8. Answer is plus 5a. This is the answer. Right? Then you please try this sum. I will give you another one. Two x times x plus 3 minus x times 3x minus 2. Right? Finish නම් කියන්න පුතේ. Yes. Sneha, you finish? Nimtara finish?
Yes, sir.
Amisha, you still doing?
Yes, sir.
Finish?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Let's see. Multiply the 2x by x. Here 1, this is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. X times x is x squared. Plus minus multiplied by plus is plus. 2x times 3 is 6x. That's the first one. Please check your answers. Then minus x times plus 3x. Minus times plus is minus. X times 3x means 3x squared because same type of symbol. එක වගේ symbols multiply කරනකොට ඒකේ squared එක තමයි answer එකට එන්නේ. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. 2 times x is 2x. Simplify like terms. 2x squared like 2x squared and 3x squared like දෙන්නම squared නිසා. Plus 6x plus 2x. Then simplify these two. Plus 2x minus 3x sign different. 2x subtract from 3x, answer is minus 1x. 1x squared. 1x කියලා කියන්නේ x squared ම තමයි. Plus 6x plus 2x, answer is plus 8x. This is the answer. Please check your answers. මෙතන like terms දෙක squared දෙක sin දෙක බලලා subtract කරා 3 වලින් 2 subtract කරාම 1 x squared තමයි මෙතන first term එකේ. මෙතන like terms 6x 2x 8x කියලා අපි ගත්තා. හරිද පුතාලා? Finish. Please correct. If you have any mistake, you please correct.
Yes.
Right, finish. All finish. Everyone? Is everyone finished?
Yes.
Yes, right. Then that's all for subtraction of algebraic terms. Then you mark this exercise for your homework. Exercise 5.7. In 5.7, we can see set of sums like this. Now you can simplify them. Please mark 5.7. And then next topic, substitution. Please take down substitution. Substitution. Right? Rooney?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see substitution. Substitutions කියලා කියන්නේ writing one value for the other same thing. මොකක් හරි එකක් වෙනුවට තව එකක් යොදන එකට තමයි මේ substitution කියලා කියන්නේ. example එකක් බලමු. මෙහෙම දුන්නොත් find the value of 5x minus 2 when x is equals 3. ඔන්න ගන්න. හරිද? අපිට කියනවා මේ 5x minus 2 කියන algebraic term එකේ value එක ගන්නලු මේ x වෙනුවට කීය දාලාද 3 කියන අංකේ substitute කරලා x වෙනුවට මේක substitute කරන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. Let's see. First you write the expression 5x minus 2 ඔන්න පළවෙනියම ලියා ගන්න. Then you have to identify the mathematical operation placed between 5 and x. මේ 5x කියලා කියන්නේ මේ 5 එකයි x එකයි අතර තියෙන multiplication. පැහැදිලිද දරුවනේ? මේ දෙන්න අතර තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? sin එකක් තිබුණේ නැතුවාට that sin is multiplication. So I'll write 5 multiplied by x වෙනුවට අපිට අංකයක් දීලා තියෙනවා. කීයද දීලා තියෙන්නේ? x ලියන්නේ නෑ මං x වෙනුවට දීපු අංකෙ ලියනවා කීයද 3 කියලා. හරිද? then minus 2 ඔන්නෝකට තමයි substitution කියලා කියන්නේ. මේක ගෙනල්ලා මෙතන මේ algebraic symbol එක වෙනුවට substitute කරා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි කරන්නේ මොකද්ද? මේකේ subtraction multiplication signs දෙක තියෙනකොට ඉස්සෙල්ලා අපි multiplication කරන්න ඕන. 5 times 3 is 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is 13. This is the value of 5x minus 2 expression. ඔන්න ඔය විදිහටයි substitution කරන්න. මේක ලියා ගන්න පුතේ. Okay, දරුවනේ finish. Right, let's see. Another same sum. You take down again this sum. Find the value of expression when x is equal. Take down this sum again. When x is equal 8. You find the answer. Find the value of 5x minus 2 when x is equal 8. Write the sum again and take your answer. But if you finish, you tell me. Finish? Yes, okay, very good. Equals 5x minus 2. I'll substitute 4x. You know this mathematical operation placed between 5 and x is multiplication. 5 Let's substitute value of x is 5 multiplied by 8 minus 2. I substituted this one. 5 times 8 is 40 minus 2. 40 minus 2 is 38. Have you got this answer? Right, let's see another sum.
Yes.
Find the value of 3x plus 2y plus 4 when x equal to y equals 3. Take down this sum. We have to find value of this whole expression by substituting these values x and y. First take down the expression 3x plus 2y plus 4. That's the first step. Second step is the substitution. Substitution, let's see substitution. 3 multiplied by value of x is 2. x වෙනුවට අපි 2 ලියා ගන්නවා plus 2 multiplied by, let's substitute value of y. Value of y is 3. ඔන්න substitute කරගත්තා 3 plus 4. ඔන්න ඊළඟ step එක. Then 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 4. Multiply first before addition. You should multiply these terms. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 4, answer is 16. Please check your answers. Correct is. Right? Have you finished?
Yes.
Yes. Another sum. You please do take down this sum. I'll change the values. X equal 5, y equals 4. Find the value of same expression when x equal 5, y equal 4. Start it. Take down this sum again and then you find value of the expression when x equal 5, y equals 4. Have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. 3 multiplied by x is 5 plus 2 multiplied by y is given 4 plus 4. That's substitution. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 4. Main steps හරිද බලන්න පුතේ. Please check these steps. මේවා හරිද පුතා?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amisha,
Yes,
please
sir.
see this. Step correct කරගන්න පුතේ. මේ අර x වෙනුවට මේ දීපු අංක ලියන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ මේ multiplications දාලා. හරි? ඊළඟට තියෙන්නේ මේ ටිකේ signs equal නිසා අපිට ලේසියෙන්ම simplify කරගන්න පුළුවන්. 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 4, answer is 27. 27 is the answer. ඔන්න 27 තමයි මේකේ answer එක වෙන්නේ. අපි තව example කීපයක් බලමු. මේ මිනිත් එකකින් කට් වෙනවා. කවුද? ආල්‍ය මොකද උනේ? What happened? ආල්‍ය hello කවුද පුතේ? ආල්‍ය නේද මේ වෙලා හිටියේ? ලීව් වෙලා හිටියේ? පුතා? බිනුරි right. බිනුරි මොකෝ වරක් උනේ? hello පුතා? ඇහෙනවද මාව?